Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to review the new Glamlite burger palette. Now this is not a new burger palette, or this is not a new palette, but it's new to me and to my collection. So you guys want to see what my thoughts are on this, what type of look I create, well then definitely keep on watching. Not gonna lie, looking at this makes me want a burger real bad. Ooh. All right, so I think it was about last week, Giselle, who is the owner of Glamlite, tweeted out, if you are a business owner or a content creator, you need to hop on the TikTok trend. I posted a few videos just for fun and I ended up gaining thousands of new customers. Don't let people tell you the app is just for kids. Well, on that tweet, I happen to tweet out, okay, with that burger palette, I've been dying to get my hands on it. It's literally the only thing I don't own from you. That's literally just what I said. Did not expect anything. And then I got a subtweet or like a retweet. I don't really know how it works. I'm still kind of figuring out Twitter. But Giselle tweeted out to me back saying, sending you an Eve gift card now, check your inbox. And I saw that pop up on my Apple Watch and I just was like, I didn't think anything of it. Like I didn't think that was for me. And then again, I got something else pop up in my direct messages on Twitter. I'm like, what is this? So I went on there and sure as shit, Giselle was actually messaging me like on my personal Twitter account. Well, on my like actual DMs, and she sent me an e-gift card to go and purchase this palette. I was like, wait, what? Are you serious right now? She's like, I really appreciate all the love and support you've shown my brand, and I really love your videos. So yes, and I was like, oh my god, and I literally was like, no way. So I went on the website, put the code in, or put the e-gift card in, and this was completely free, and it got shipped to my house a couple days later, and I was like, so blown away. So Giselle, if you watch this, I don't know if you do or not, thank you so much for sending this my way. You complete my Glamlite collection. And if you guys don't know, I love Glamlite. I've reviewed all their palettes minus two. I haven't reviewed the taco palette and the pizza palette. I do have that down in my collection, but when I got it back in the day, I want to say back, I think it was like in November, whenever the mystery boxes came out, I just, for some reason, stuff came up and I just didn't review them. But if you guys want to see reviews on those, let me know and I can make that possible for you guys. But I just knew, I just had to get this bad boy. And every time I look at it, I'm like, I want a burger real bad. And I don't really like burgers, but I gotta have one. This burger does retail for $40. There is Afterpay available on Glamlite's website. If you guys don't know, Afterpay is a service where you can pay just a portion of the price for 4 installments every 2 weeks, which I think is fantastic that they have that. I do have an affiliate code with Glamlite Cosmetics. It's just Allie D, which will save you guys 10% off your purchase. It is an affiliate code, so I do make a small commission if you do use that code, but it's just to save you guys 10% if you guys wish to do so. But I do want to give you guys a heads up. They have sales all the time on their website, or they have cool specials all the time. Like last week, they were advertising 30% off all their palettes. So you don't ever have to just use my code. They have specials running around all the time. I think right now it's like 15% off if you sign up for text messages. So that's something to take note of. So I just want to let you guys know. But this is the burger palette. And if you guys don't know, it's a lot of greens and yellows and oranges, my favorite. But I have got to show you. First off, this packaging is everything. I save all of my Glamlite Cosmetics packagings because like their packaging alone is just like so pretty. And then when you open it up, this is the kicker. It's like a freaking burger. Like how freaking cool is this? Like that is so freaking cool. I cannot get over how sick this is. And when you open it up, like, the burger has finally come out of the packaging. It is so freaking cool. Now, I talked about this last week in my entire eyeshadow palette collection video, that this has a very soft texture. I noticed that when I opened up the actual palette, there were a little bit of what looked like to be oil marks right here in the palette. And I was told that it's not for aesthetics, that oils do tend to seep out of shadows, but it doesn't affect the performance of the shadows. So I do see a couple spots right here, but it doesn't bother me in the slightest that it's there. Like I could care less. All I care to know is that this performs the way that I want it to. And I am so excited to dive into this. These are so freaking pretty. Like this color avocado, and then mustard, and then cheddar, and ooh, sweet potato. And then look at this, Thousand Island. Get it? Play on words. But I'll tell you what, you guys know that I'm notorious for like licking products and eating products. I just want to on this so badly. That is why I got this. It's a little burger that I got from Five Guys on the way home from seeing my parents. So I did pick this up for myself. So I'm excited because I'll get to eat a burger along with this burger. But you know what's so crazy is I really don't like burgers, if I'm being completely real. They tend to make my stomach hurt. I think it's all the grease. So just I'll be paying for this later on. All right, so for today, I want to try doing another cut crease. Although I do want to try out this. I want to look at this shadow right here. This is the 1000. Oh my God, guys, look at that. Let's take a look at this. So pretty. And then we have the shade Blue Cheese. Ooh. Such a pretty. Ooh, okay, I want to play this cheddar color. Oh, yes. Wow. Okay, yay. Okay. All right, so I'm going to try a new eyeshadow technique today. It's nothing new at all, but I'm just going to try doing a halo eye. I'm really getting into halo eyes again, so that's what we're going to do today. Look how sad my burger looks compared to that one, but okay. Okay, so the first color I'm going to go into is the shade Avocado right here. Oh, this palette has no smell, although it'd be kind of cool if it smelled like a burger, but then maybe it wouldn't be cool, because what if you get like nauseous off of smelling that? Oh, I said I was going to do this new thing where I was going to zoom you guys in. Oh, look at me being rude. Okay. So I'm going to take my bling brush. This is the Star Night Collection E15. Do you have a code? It's code Allie to save you guys 10% off your purchase. And I'm going to start to pack this right here in the inner corner. Now, this does look like it is stained yellow. It is stained yellow, but trust me, it is clean. It just needs another round of washing. Ooh, that is laying down so nicely. I hope you guys like this new thing I'm doing where I'm like zooming you guys in. I just want you guys to get a close-up of like my makeup, I guess. Now, I just want you guys to know I am pre-filming this, so by the time you guys see this video, I will already have done my live. I am extremely nervous to go live again. I know you guys said don't be nervous, but y'all, I'm a worrywart, and I get nervous so easily, so just know I'm going to be like really petrified tomorrow. Hopefully it goes well. We'll see. Now, I've gotten asked before, what is my favorite Glamlite palette? And it's such a toss-up between the Painter palette and the Cake palette. Like, I really love the two. Either way, I think it'd be very, very satisfied. If you're trying to find a really nice rainbow palette, I think either one you'd be really nicely, I think either one you'll be really satisfied with. It just depends on what type of like color scheme to go for. I think I like the Cake palette just a little bit more because I have some really cool shimmers in there. I think that's why I gear towards more, I think that's why I like that one more. But I think either way, you're going to be extremely happy with it. Okay, I'm really sorry, but by the time you guys see this, my best friend is in labor right now, and she's been in labor since this morning, and I just got a text message that I think that he's here. And it really, really bummed me out because me and Corey, we were there for the last one, when Leo was born, we were there for the last birth, and we just couldn't be there for this one, obviously with everything going around the world. But oh my God, we wish we were there so badly right now. I have been talking to her all day, you know, getting through progress, getting the update, and oh my God, if that's him. All right, the next color I'm gonna go into is this sweet potato pie. I really hope this goes well together. I'm not totally sure. I haven't done like a orangey green look yet. Well, we're gonna find out. Beautiful, vibrant colors. Okay, so I'm so sorry. I forgot what color I was talking about, but because I got a text message from my best friend, but I really think when it comes down to it, I just really love the pink, the Cake palette. I just think it's such a cool palette. Either one I think you'd be happy with. Well, I hope that goes together. I think it will when I pull it together with the cut crease look. I think it'll go together. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my E4 brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of the P. Louise setting base right here. This is in the shade Rumor 2. I'm gonna take on this flat brush, and I'm gonna place it right here in the middle. Not on my lashes, I do apologize for that. Look, I have the gator colors on my lid. I literally have the gator colors on my lids right now. Oh my god, that's funny. Oh man, that is funny. Okay, so now that it's pretty much dried down, I'm gonna go into this shade Cheddar right here. Yeah, he really is here. Let's just send me a picture.
Luca?
Yeah. Oh, I'm so proud of her. Okay. Can't cry this makeup off. I just put it down. Okay, sorry my eyes are watery. My best friend just gave birth. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to talk to her. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start to blend these two shadows together so it isn't such a harsh line. Now that's something I'm still working on, is getting the blending down when it comes to like a halo eye. I'm still not the best at it, but it's a work in progress. Everything's a work in progress. I need like a small brush. Okay, so now that the majority of the eyes are done, I am gonna go underneath my eye, probably with this shadow right here called Onion Rings. I feel like that would kind of like complement the look very well. I feel like I've seen this color before. I feel like it's like a flag that I'm wearing my eye, but I try to do like a halo eye the best that I could. I still have room for improvement, but I'm gonna throw on these lashes from Glamlite right here. These are the paint splashes. I feel like these big lashes will look really, really good with this style. I don't have like the French fry lashes that are supposed to go with this, and I have just, I think, the chocolate lashes, but I wanted to try this out. So I am gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off of camera, talk to my best friend right now, and then I will be back, guys. Alright guys, and this is the final look. Now I always get questions about what am I wearing on my face, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys. I am wearing my Believe Beauty foundation. A little bit of fallout. I Believe Beauty foundation. I am wearing my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer, my Colourpop blush in the style Soulmate. I am wearing the Jaclyn Hill highlighter flash palette right here. I'm wearing the style Iced. I can never keep that open. For the inner corner and the brow bone, I'm wearing the Jeffree Star Sour Ice Extreme Frost highlighter right there. So beautiful. And then on my lips, I'm wearing the Colourpop In A Man lip liner along with the Almay, where'd I put it? Almay Go Wild lipstick and the Fenty gloss right on top of it. And then for lashes, I'm wearing the Glamlite lashes. This is in, where's the box? Where's the box? I'm wearing the Glamlite lashes. This is in the paint splashes right here. In the style yellow. That's the style that I'm wearing right now. And then for the eyeliner, I am wearing the Colourpop yellow liner right here. I'm sorry. I'm so twisted on my words right now because I have been doing nothing but talking to my best friend right now. She did just give birth. Little Luca Eli is here. I'm so excited. By the time you guys see this, it will already be 2 days old. But oh my God, I'm so excited. So when you get brought something like that, you kind of just forget about filming. Like, it's just, filming isn't on the top of my priority list, is talking to her. I really wish we'd be there right now. If everything wasn't going on in the world, we would have been there all day with her. We were last time, and I was so proud of her. But that's beside the point. Overall, what do I think of this palette? I think it's a beautiful palette. I really, really love this palette. I think it has some beautiful greens and oranges. I went underneath with the color orange, underneath with the orange. I went underneath with the onion rings right here. I think this palette is so freaking beautiful. Like I said, there is a little bit of oil seepage, but the shadows still perform amazingly well. Like, I had no issues. I did swatch the color Lettuce right here. Beautiful, beautiful, like a lime like a lime shimmer. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I really love the color scheme of this palette. I love the names. I love the names of the palette. I love Glamlite. I feel like Glamlite is such an amazing brand. I love the owner of the brand. She's so supportive, especially of micro influencers. She believes in supporting micro influencers, and you have to stand behind that. Like, how amazing is that? Normally bigger brands out there ignore micro influencers because to them we don't matter, but to her and this brand, we do matter, and we do have a voice, and it makes me fall in love more and more with the brand. Not only are the products amazing, the customer service is amazing, the owner is amazing, and I love Glamlite so much. I really cannot thank Giselle enough for sending this my way. This is like the palette I've been wanting for so long. When I saw Robert Christie review it last year, when I saw Nikki Torres review it, I was like, I have to have this palette. Why I never got it, I don't know. And I'm kicking myself in the butt for not getting it sooner, because it truly is an amazing palette, and I love it so much. And these are the colors, guys, that you guys know I'm obsessed with, like especially this color mustard. Oh, it's such a beautiful yellow. It's so pretty, and I love the sweet potato colors. So I think this palette definitely is a huge must-have in your collection. If you guys like the same type of colors that I like, you guys have to get this. Like, hands down, have to get this. I know this is kind of like a really weird review. I kind of got emotional in it, but you know, life is just crazy right now. But I just, you know, wanted to finally do a look using this palette because I'm so grateful that I got it. I really love how it came out. I think it's really beautiful. I'm trying out this new halo eye effect, so hopefully I could end up perfecting it. I feel like I've seen like these color schemes before. Like, I feel like they're like a flag color. Like, I think it's the Irish flag. I think I'm wearing the Irish flag. May not be in the same exact order, or actually maybe, I don't know. I feel like I'm definitely rocking the Irish flag for sure, but you know what? That is okay. But yeah, guys, this was just a quick little video showing you guys how I do this eye look using this palette. I think this palette is definitely worth it. The packaging alone, like, I'm never gonna get rid of this packaging. Like, how freaking cool is this? Like, how sick. That is so freaking cool. I cannot wait to see what they come up with this summer. I'm so beyond excited for this company. They create such cool, innovative products that I just cannot get over. Like, seriously, they're so cool. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, or I post almost every other day or every day. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It is R4 to Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful, but just amazing fiance, Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love support. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! If you are a business owner on a content creator, okay. All right, guys. The owner of, oh my gosh, Giselle. Oh my God. She said it's for 4 weeks every 2, for 4 weeks every 2 weeks, for 4 installments every 2. So they do have Afterpay available on Glamlite. So if you guys know this burger, oh my God, I'm trying to.
You have the Rastafarian flag on your ass.
Is this the Jamaican flag?
It's the Rastafarian.
No,
flag.
it's not.
Rastafarian is a religion, not a country.
I thought I was wearing the Irish flag. Oh my God, it's white. I thought this looked familiar.
You said Irish?
Yeah.
Wow.
What?
It is not Irish at all. That's Rasta.
I'm sorry. I don't know better. You know, some
You
people.
should film right now and be like, so found out this is not Irish.
People will tell me my comments. People will tear me apart.
Exactly.
People always ask me all the time, how does Corey deal with like the things you say and do? And like, people think like he's giggling on the side. More often than not, he's rolling his eyes going, oh my God, she's so stupid. That's pretty much what Corey's doing. And he's doing right now because he told me my eye look is not Irish, it's Rastafarian. And I'm so sorry that I said that in my Glamlite video. I'll probably include this blooper in my Glamlite video too to make it work.